The most exciting time in my life is actually right now in my 40s, believe it or not. It's so exciting because this is the time that I'm really gathering everything from my thoughts to spiritual to physical, taking care of my body, and I'm actually enjoying every single bit of it. Every single time I put something into my mouth and I'm either swallowing or chewing, whatever it is, it goes in with a purpose. Today, every single day in the month of March, I'm going to be doing a challenge to reverse out any grays that I have and also to prevent any further grays from developing. So one of the things that I'm going to be taking is molasses. Okay, so I got my daughter Bella to come and help me count the number of gray hairs that I actually have. Bella, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, by the way. Okay, Bella, what do you want me to do?
I want you to turn when I say.
To what?
Turn when I say.
Okay. Okay. Bella wants me to turn when she says. Okay.
Turn.
Turn.
This way.
Okay, this way.
1, 2, 3.
Bella, you're going too fast. Are you sure?
1, 2, 3. 4. 4. Wait. No, just 4.
Did you count? I thought I saw something up here and then something up here. Did you check? Okay, just check up here. Make sure there's nothing.
This is just dot.
Oh, it's just a lint.
Hmm.
Oh, thank God. Okay, what about here? What's going on here?
Lint. There.
Lint. Okay, so
Hair.
only 4?
There. Yeah.
So I've got 4. Okay, so I've got 4 grays, and I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but it actually just started sprouting one day. And then all of a sudden I've got 4, and I started panicking. And a lot of times when I look in the mirror, well, you know what? Let me say this. There's nothing wrong with having grays. There's absolutely nothing wrong with having grays. I'm just trying to do an experiment right now where I'm trying to see if I can actually slow down developing more grays or even reversing out the grays that I have. This is just an experiment. That's the beauty about being my age, is that you can do all kinds of stuff to experiment with your body for the better, right? Like molasses, at the end of the day, they have a lot of other benefits. So that's the nice thing about that, is that even if this experiment doesn't work, I'm still getting so many goodness out of molasses. Bye, Bella. Thank you. Let's say thank you to Bella. Bye, Bella. Thank you. Somehow I feel like there's a lot more grace than what Bella counted. I think that she was being very nice to me and counting only 4 grays. I have a feeling that there's a lot more. So let's take a look and see. Okay, so I went on Google to take a look at 12 benefits of molasses. So I've got number 1 is healthy hair, and I actually need that. I need the healthy hair portion because this is the reason why I cut my hair, because my hair was actually breaking off, and my scalp, I needed to get to my scalp so that I can treat it. If you look very close, I actually am trying to get my hair to grow back in certain areas, especially around my hairline. For example, over in this portion here, my hairline is different. I do have some bald patches or bald spots that came, and I believe that they're stress related, and I'm trying to work on that to actually get the hair to grow back, and also on the sides over here. Okay, so the first health benefits of molasses is healthy hair. Okay, another benefit is that it is an arthritis reliever. It also promotes strong, healthy bones. It's a brain booster. It prevents anemia. It stabilizes blood sugar levels. So in here, I've got some molasses, and I picked these up from Bulk Barn, and I just put them in a small container. In case you don't know what molasses look like, they are very thick in viscosity. It's a very, very thick syrup, and you can see that it looks quite sweet. I love molasses because I love licorice. I feel like they taste like licorice and they look like melted licorice. So I'm going to be taking a tablespoon of this every day for the month of March. Okay, so let's try it. I'm going to have to cut off this stringy part here, otherwise it's never going to end. Anyway, as I said, it tastes like licorice. For me, I love it because I love licorice. If you love licorice, I feel like you'll be okay eating molasses. I don't know if I should say drinking it, but it's a very, very thick, viscous liquid. It's a very, very thick liquid. It's viscous. So, I have some on my hand. My hands are clean. And yeah. So for 30 days, it's cheers to our grace. These days, everything I do is with a purpose. So there you go. Let's see in 30 days time the effects of my grace, and also the fact that I've got bold patches. Let me see if there will be a bit of a difference. So I'll see you in my next video. Have a nice day, and thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment. Let me know if there's something that you know about that actually helps to reverse out grace, or to even slow down grace, to prevent grace. Let me know in the comment section what you have tried or what you think that I should try. And as long as it's got health benefits, I don't see any harm. See you guys in my next video. Bye.